say firstly welcome to Telechakra and congratulations for the series.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be on this show, absolutely.
Saying that Tabbar and the story behind it, what was that intriguing factor that made you say yes for it?
I love the story. I love the way the plot had been revealed, and I enjoyed reading it. So I knew that if I enjoy reading something, if I enjoy listening to something, that means that my audiences will enjoy watching it. Even if we come to 50% of it, that's what you take as a first. Harman, who is the writer of the show, has written it beautifully, the dialogues and everything, and I think Ajit sir worked with him. And Ajit, then I wanted to meet Ajit sir, who is the director of the show, and when I met him on a Zoom call, as we these days do, and I really enjoyed talking to him, and I really thought he was such a focused and such a confident director. He knew exactly what he wanted. So I automatically, and I'd seen a little bit of his work, and I automatically felt that with such a script and the man's vision, I think we'll be able to do something very nice with it. Then I came to know Pavan Malhotra is with me on the show. So I thought that we can even create that chemistry that we need in the show. So I think all these things put together really attracted me towards the show. And I must say I've had a great experience working on the show. So it was really, it all worked out the way I had thought it would.
Well, if I would say that, seeing a character, obviously there's some X factor to it that you say yes. But then how is your preparation? How do you approach a character when you're, shared about it?
Well, what I normally do is I always feel that everything about the character or about the script is all in the script, in the story, in the script that we have. So I read the script, I try and create a backstory, as we call it, kind of backstory to that character, because you see every film starts at a certain time in the character's life. So there has to be something that has gone beyond. The future we are going to see together, but the past is something that's only I can work out, or the director and me can work out together, or the writer, director and me can work out together. So that is basically what I do. I create the back. If, like when we start with Tabbar, it starts at a particular age in Sargun. That's my character's life. So if I am at that age, that means I've gone from 1 to that age. Like she's about 55 in this show. So from 1 to 55, Sargun has led a life. So I try and create that life in my own head so that I can put it across in certain ways in the process of making the character. She comes from a certain background. So you try thinking about all these things in every character that you work out with. And eventually it forms into a person and you make her tell her story.
Okay, having an array of actors, both young and also the ones that you've already worked with or maybe have known while working here in the industry, आपको क्या लगता है मैम कि सबसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत सीन किसके साथ आपका आया है? Personal favorite?
In Tabbar, I think there were lots of scenes which worked very beautifully. There are ones, I can't tell you the scenes as such, but there are scenes like in the the beginning of the series that you see in the trailer, if you've seen the trailer, there is the beginning, this very sweet, very small, very heart-warming kind of family. So I think the four of us created that scene very beautifully. I think it was really prettily created. So there were little moments between me and Pavan which worked out very nicely. There are certain sequences which are my own, where I created, I think those were fun doing, So there was a lot of things. I had a lot to do in Tabbar actually.
Okay, I would say as an actor you have played a lot of different variety of roles, लेकिन फिर भी जब मैं आपका काम देखती हूँ, the first thought at least that strikes me is अरे ये तो हंसा है, and the same I think would go in the mind of other audiences that are watching you right now. How does it feel that एक character out of so many that you have played that has just stood out there for you, and आज भी इतने सालों के बाद भी fans still उसके बारे में सवाल उठाते हैं, they want you back as Hansa and Praful also, like somewhere. So
yeah, that's very nice of the fans and all of you to really appreciate and like Hansa. But I love Hansa. So I mean, she's my stress buster too. So I mean, it's a great. It was a great journey. Making Hansa was a really great journey for me, and I really miss her as much as maybe the audiences do. So that's true. But saying that, I think now people have kind of started, because they've seen me in such a lot of variety now. They kind of don't connect me directly to Hansa. Yes, there is still in the back of the mind Hansa going on, but now they do accept. I mean, they've accepted me in everything. But what I'm saying is, they've gone beyond the Hansa part of it. But I'm sure if Hansa comes back, I don't think anybody will mind. Me, least of all. But I love her. So I really don't mind her. I don't mind being associated with her always.
But does Hansa come out any here and there sometimes in the middle of a situation?
Not in characters. No, I try and avoid Hansa coming anywhere near any of my other characters, because she's Hansa. She can't come out anywhere except as Hansa. But, well, she's still there in me. I would love to play her again and again and again. Maybe till the day I die, I would like to play Hansa. Very old Hansa, still wearing gajras, but still on.
Still questioning Praful about what he is. Okay, do you call yourself as a big critic, ma'am? Do you call yourself as a big critic, and do you watch your own work, or you don't?
I do watch my own work. I don't like any of it. I'm okay with some work. Mostly I am very critical about my work, but I think everybody is. I mean, who really feels that you've done the best that you could possibly do? I think the day we feel that, we'll be dead.
Okay, and if I may ask, which has been the most difficult role that you've played until now?
All of them. I have butterflies in my stomach when I start any new character. So I am scared. Before I get the hang of the character, I'm petrified. I'm nervous, I'm tense, and all this is not just to speak. I'm really genuinely like that. So all my characters have been tough for me to play. I've enjoyed all of them. I've enjoyed, like I feel a character like Ram Prasad Ki Tehrvi, a film that I did, was a very tough role to play, because she does nothing, and she still has to emote, and she has to tell her story and her pathos and her emotion without any dramatics, and which was very exciting for me. And very tough, yes. Hi, I'm Supriya Pathak Kapoor, and you're watching me on Telechakkar.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.